here with Tanya's Home Tips. We're going to talk about cleaning blinds. Blinds are my nemesis. I hate them. Anyway, I found the best way to clean them. So you get one of these nice fluffy dusters and you spray on them this Fuller duster spray. When you spray it, it's amazing because the dust will stick to it. So first we're gonna spray it, and then I'm gonna shut the blinds, and I'm gonna go down each way, and then I'm gonna turn it the other way, and we are gonna go up. So we're getting all the blinds. The problem with blinds is you're missing the middle part. So that's where we get out our handy dandy little tool. This is amazing. And if you spray this cleaner on them, it will remove the dust in the center of each blind. However, if your blinds are above a kitchen sink, you may have to use some soap and water. But if it is just normal dust, this works fantastic. Spray it on there and stick it in, go back and forth, and it will be clean. So highly recommend these tools and the duster, and you can attack every blind in your home and make your windows look amazing.